Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to create a landing page using Mailchimp. So upon the things that I've used on landing page creations, I've used a lot of applications, some websites, and actually, I've also used some AI tools out there. And to be honest, Mailchimp will be the best and most user-friendly for beginners. Now before we get started, basically, let's talk about the pricing for this exact website. So right now I'm currently using a free trial, as you can see right here. It is actually time sensitive. 90 days left to access a free trial for 14 days or 15% off a year. Basically right now I'm currently using a free plan. So if you click on this one, you're going to click on the free trial. With this one right here, let's check the pricing plans right there. And there we have it. On the lower part right here, I'm currently using the free. All the basics for businesses who are just getting started. Now this is going to be the metrics for the free plan. I have 1,000 monthly email sends. I have one user set. Audiences would be one audiences. Email support for first 30 days. And then basically I have very limited creative assistant and reporting analysis. Moving forward, you also have this ones. 300 plus integrations, forms, and landing pages, which is going to be our idea for today. And basically these are going to be the differences. So premium right now, this is going to be almost $300. Standard is free for 14 days and save 15% moving forward for the next few months. And then basically for this one, Essentials is also free for 14 days. It will now move over for $13 a month, and Standard will now move over for $20 a month. If you're not sure which one for you, there is a Find My Plan option. They will build up a plan for you, essentially custom fit or tailor fit to your needs, and they will just price that one depending on the feature you chose. And that's it. So that's going to be the pricing, and let's get started with this one by simply clicking on create. So don't focus on this first. We have campaign, automations, forms, up to integrations. Those will be discussed in the upcoming videos because for now, we're only going to focus on landing pages, right? So let's get started. So I'm going to click on create right there. And in here, you're going to see a lot of things. Starting from the left side, you have your email automations. You have your website, and the thing that we're going to talk about is landing pages. You have creative assistant. You have your sign up form right there. Surveys, ads, social posts. So based on best practices, these are going to be the best choice for all other creators out there. So we're going to focus on build a landing page. So for this one, we're going to name this one first. I'm going to name it sample landing page. I'm going to go for that one. I think I'm missing a letter L there. Now for the audiences, I'm going to choose sample right there. And basically for this one, I'm going to click on begin. If you're clicking present for that one, you're going to select a template. So let's start with the template right here and tell them what are they. So first thing is lead generation. We have simple, and basically this is new. This is promote products, and the last are lead generation as well. Grow your list, and basically another lead generation. And you've noticed right here that the templates, the name of the templates or the title of the templates are going to be depending on what's your target. If you want to generate your leads, choose the ones that says lead generations. If you want to promote your product, of course, choose the product promotions. So for me, I'm going to go for this one, promote products for men or modern. Click down right there, and it will now enter a template design over that one. Alright, it's just loading right now. On the right side right here, we have our blocks. We have our text, up to image, video, sign up form, button, share, follow. We also have our style here. Now, depending on the style here, it's going to be depending on your skills and perspective on how your landing page will look like. Starting from the page, of course, we have your padding. This is what they call indent, on how much spaces in between the borders. We have your width here. For example, if I adjust this one to 780, you see right there, it's moving, right? What if I adjust it to 1322? It's not going to fit the screen anymore, but it's still moving. Now, for the heading right there, you can choose your font style. I'm going to go for Times New Roman. And I think, let me just check if they have bold here, the bold font. I'm afraid they do not have. That's my favorite font also. To change your color, of course, it's going to be self-explanatory right here. If you have your very own hex code, just place it over there. and they will automatically read the hex code and give you the color you're looking for. And of course, these are gonna be the settings of this heading page. Take note guys, one setting here has a lot of features. For example, this is just a page. If you go back right there, we're gonna focus on the header, where you can change your photo. For example, if I click on replace right there, you can add your files inside here, Mailchimp. You can either upload from URL, if you have saved from your Instagram, your Canva, and the works. I'm gonna click upload right here. I'm gonna use this one, a photo I created with an AI image generator. Just wait for it to pop up, and there we have it. It's gonna be really awesome. And basically for this one, you can position it. You can make it center, you can make it bottom, or basically make it top again. I'm gonna go for top here. You can also change the color for this one and transparency, but I'm gonna leave it as it is. Now talking about the stuffs here, we're all the way here for the testings. Let's talk about the things inside. Let's just set aside the things on the right side, but focus on the things. That's gonna be the main part of our landing page. So our landing page is divided in a few sections. As in landing pages, you have of course the header, you have the main body, the testimonials right there, your customers, your links, and basically your closure page right there. So each section right here, or each box, can be editable within the box. So for example, you want to edit this one, but this is an image, take note about that one. Let's try text here. That one right there, if you want to edit it, I'm just gonna name this one. Let's call about it Fix My Tech. And there we have it. You can change the styles here. For example, you want to go a different style. You can change a hyperlinking. Under the linking, you can change the color here. Specified font depending on your perspective. And basically have your way with it. You have also your settings for that one. Don't forget to save and close. Make sure you save and close, right? And in here, you can change the color. You can change the image. Fill it up depending on your liking. Or basically, if you don't like it, click the clear option and it's clear now. You can upload a new image. For example, if you want that one right there, place it, click on insert, and there you have it. And right now, those are going to be the works on how you use it. You can also interchange each blocks here. For example, you're going to see this one, hold it up, pull it, insert it, and basically have your fun with it. Also guys, in here, you can also change this one, add another box there, another color, depending on your liking. Now, if you want to check how it looks like, click on the preview option right here. And this is going to be the desktop view of your landing page. It also has a mobile view. Pretty awesome, right? Basically, that's it. Once you're done here, click save and close, and publish your design. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.